A scientist records the diameter of a strand of hair as 0. Now let me just read out the numbers, 0.0754 centimeters. To the nearest thousandth, what is the rounded diameter of the strand of hair? So let's write out this number, 0.00754. And we need to round this to the nearest thousandth. So let's look at our place value. This is ones. This is tenths, hundredths, thousandth. So you take a look at that 7 and look to the right of it. You're looking to the right of the 7. And the rule says if the number to the right of 7 is 5 or above, give it a shove. 4 or below, let it go. Well, 5 is 5 or above. So what we're going to do is we're going to bump that 7 up to an 8. So you write out all the numbers to the left of it. So 0, your decimal, 0 and 0 stay there. And after a decimal, any number to the right of it isn't necessary. So you don't need to write out zeros on the right if it's a decimal. So we're given centimeters, and we're going to end up with 8 thousandths of a centimeter. So your answer is C.